Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the home symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a home symbol on Microsoft Excel mobile. So I just open a book here and just going to zoom in inside it. Now I just going to click on inside any cell here and just use my keyboard here, just using Google Keyboard or Gboard. So click on this number section and click on this symbol section again. You will see a lot of option. You just need to click on number section first and symbol section second. And here you just need to long press on the pie section, which actually opens and you can insert the home symbol like this. This is an hidden trick on the Google Keyboard. Why I'm just using Google Keyboard instead of inserting symbol, because there is no insert symbol option present on your Microsoft Excel mobile. So if you are just going to the insert option, you can find a insert chart and shapes, but there is no option to insert the symbol. So use your keyboard as an alternative for inserting the symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.